Everyone. Today we are discussing about DNA transcription. DNA transcription is the process by which the genetic information encoded in DNA is copied into the molecule called RNA. This process is crucial for gene expression as it allows the genetic instructions to be converted into a format that can be used by the cell to synthesize proteins. Here are some detailed information of DNA transcription. First step is initiation. Transcription begins with the binding of an enzyme called RNA polymerase to a specific region of DNA known as the promoter. The promoter contains specific nucleotide sequence that signal the start of gene. Unwinding of DNA. Once bound to the promoter, RNA polymerase unwinds the DNA double helix separating the two strands. This creates a transcription bubble where the enzyme can access the template strand. Elongation. RNA polymerase synthesizes a complementary RNA molecule using one of the DNA strands as a template. The enzyme adds nucleotides to the growing RNA chain in a sequence determined by the base pairing rules. As the RNA polymerase moves along the DNA template, it continues to unwind and reanneal the DNA. Termination. Transcription concludes when RNA polymerase reaches a termination sequence on the DNA template. This sequence signals to the enzyme to detach the DNA and release the newly synthesized RNA molecule. RNA processing. In eukaryotic cells, the newly synthesized RNA molecule undergoes additional processing steps before it can be used to protein synthesis. This includes the addition of a modified nucleotide cap at one end, a poly A tail at the other end. Additionally, introns are removed through a process called splicing, leaving only the exons in the mature RNA molecule. Types of RNA. Different types of RNA molecule can be transcribed from DNA. Messenger RNA carries the genetic information from the DNA to the ribosomes for the protein synthesis. Transfer RNA helps in translating the mRNA code into amino acids during protein synthesis. Ribosomal RNA forms a major component of ribosomes where protein synthesis occurs. Overall, DNA transcription is a highly regulated process that ensures the accurate copying of genetic information from DNA to RNA. It plays a crucial role in gene expression and the functioning of the cell. Thank you.